Put down that takeout menu. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fast and flavorful teriyaki chicken that you and your family are going to love. It's the perfect weeknight meal, ready in just 30 minutes. For a lean protein choice, use boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I have about 2 pounds here, and I'm going to cut them into uniform 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. Cut these larger portions into smaller pieces. The chicken breast has a nice flavor, plus it cooks really quick. If you like dark meat, you could also use thighs. Just make sure to trim off the excess fat so it doesn't make the dish too greasy. To add layers of flavors to the dish, we're going to briefly marinate the chicken. Add 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, a half teaspoon of sesame oil, a half teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir to combine until all the pieces are evenly coated. Cutting down the chicken into smaller pieces is going to allow the water-soluble flavors to absorb, and the salt is going to season and restructure some of the muscle fibers, creating these gaps that's going to allow for better moisture retention. The result, juicier bites. I'm going to let this marinate at room temperature while I make the teriyaki sauce. To add some pungent and a little bit of spicy flavors, I'm going to mince some fresh ginger and garlic. For the garlic, just trim off the ends of each side and give it a little smash. This will help take off the skin. Use the fanning motion and hold your fingers like a claw to cut it into small, fine pieces, running the blade back and forth. We need 1 teaspoon. For the ginger root, just tear off a piece. Then use a paring knife to remove the thin skin from the outside. Ooh, this smells so good already. Use a chef's knife to cut it into thin slices. Use the fanning motion to then break it down. We need a half a teaspoon. We want it to add a nice zip, but not be overpowering. To make the sauce, I'm going to add 3/4 cups of water, a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of honey. You could also use pure maple syrup or brown sugar as an alternative, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mirin cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of minced ginger, and a half teaspoon of sesame oil. Just whisk to combine. The combination of ingredients is going to give this wonderful umami, sweet, savory, and a little bit of tangy flavor. This makes plenty of sauce if you want extra to serve on the side. To thicken the sauce when cooking, I'm going to make a slurry that's very traditionally used in Asian cuisine. It's a simple combination of cornstarch and water. I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to whisk in a 1/4 cup of water. This should create a thin paste. The ingredients are ready. Let's go head over to the stove. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once hot, add the chicken in a single layer. Without moving, cook until browned, about 3 minutes. Flip and stir fry until no longer pink, about 2 minutes. Make sure to add the meat in a single layer so that all of the pieces have contact with the pan. The hot wok is going to kickstart the Maillard reaction, which creates hundreds of new flavors and a beautiful golden brown crust. This looks good. Now I'm going to add the teriyaki sauce. It's important to add the cornstarch slurry to the sauce when it's near boiling. At temperatures above 200 degrees, the starches have full thickening power. When it hits that hot liquid, it's going to start to swell and thicken the consistency. The process is quick and only takes about a minute. Stir the cornstarch slurry, then add it to the sauce. Quickly stir to combine, and then continuously stir until it thickens, about 60 seconds. The sauce will thicken more as it cools. You can enjoy the chicken by itself or make it a bowl. I like to add freshly steamed rice, broccoli, and carrots. Right before serving, sprinkle with some sesame seeds. Ooh, this looks so good. And sliced green onions. If you're looking for an appetizer to go with this recipe, try my crispy egg rolls right here. They're delicious. I hope you enjoyed learning the science behind teriyaki chicken, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It means a lot when you do. See you in the next video. Ooh, time to dig in. So good.